Hi, my name is Chantel. I'm from Beyes Dental Canada, and I'm here to show you how to change a generator on our handpiece. Okay, so here's our handpiece. First thing you want to do is to unscrew the bottom cap. Once you take that out, there's a little black ring inside that you can also take out, and you can put those two to the side until you're finished. Next, there are 3 screws in the silver cap on the bottom of the handpiece that tightens into the generator. So you want to take your screwdriver and you want to take these screws out. Okay, so once you have those 3 screws loosely taken out, take them out and also put those to the side. Okay, now you can safely remove your silver cap, and you can put that as well. Secondly, we take our second screwdriver, and there's a black ring, and the generator is on the inside, so what you want to do is to insert this inside the black ring, tighten it to the right, so you are able to slowly pull out the black ring. You do want to be careful. There are 2 blue wires that connect to the LED at the top of the handpiece. You want to make sure when you're pulling this out, you do not pull too hard so they do not break. So you can loosen this back up, set your tool aside, and you can separate your black ring from the generator. As you can see, your generator has your 2 pins here and the 2 holes into your black ring that connects everything together. Now you can take your generator out. Okay, and there is your generator. There's the inside of the handpiece. So now we're ready to replace our new generator. Make sure that the flat end is down when you're inserting and that your 2 pins are up. You insert the generator about 3/4 of the way down so that you can safely insert the black cap with the 2 pins properly onto your generator. Once you have those in place, you simply use some pressure, push them down, and make sure that the wire and everything is in place properly. Once that is in place, you can take your silver cap and the best way to match up these holes and prongs is to use the big hole and match it with the other big hole on your handpiece, and the 2 prongs will find their way into the proper hole. Use a little bit of pressure to push that down, and then everything is properly inserted. At this point, you want to just make sure that your wires are also pressed in to make sure that there is no bending or breaking when putting back the handpiece all together. At this point, you want to reconnect all 3 of the screws that you took out. your screwdriver and tighten those all into place. Now that our screws are all tightly in place, the second last thing we need to do is to take our black ring. You'll see the hole in the black ring here, and you want to align that with the hole in the handpiece and also the 3 holes for the screws. So you line that up here. Make sure you hear the clicking sound and everything's in place. Now you can safely put your back cap back onto your handpiece. Slowly screw it on. Okay, and now everything's back into place. I'm going to safely test the handpiece to make sure everything is working with your new generator. Take my handpiece tubing, and you want to make sure you pull the security ring down when you're placing the tubing into the handpiece, and to lock it into place you let go of the ring and everything is in place. And now that you see that my light is working, everything looks good with the handpiece. So I will safely take that off and put it away. And that is how you change a generator at Beyes, Canada.